guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian based YouTuber, and today I decided to do a video for you guys on how I style this box braid. I've been carrying this box braid for like 2 to 3 weeks right now. As you can see, the front is actually kind of old, but I just want to show you guys before I loosen the hair. I just want to show you guys how I actually style the braids throughout the period I carried it. So yeah, if you want to see how I do it, how I achieve all the styles, please continue to watch this video to the end. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button either below or above, depending on what you're watching with, and on your notification, please, on your notification, so that you don't get to miss any new video from this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and you can leave a comment style you actually prefer to wear. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
I went from belly dancing to mini mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hey, ooh, you are my African queen. Hey, so thank you. I'm a bad life. You are my African queen. My African. That is the African beauty. Hey, queen. Yeah. I love you. Out of a million, you stand out, tall, the outstanding one. Yeah, I look into your eyes, girl, what I see is paradise. Yeah, captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Ooh, you know one is gonna take your place. They cannot take your space. This fact I cannot erase. Ooh, you are the one that makes me smile, make me float like a boat up on the Nile. My African queen. You are my African queen. And that is African beauty. Oh, yeah. Ooh, you are my African queen, and I know, oh yes I know. You are my African queen, and I know, I know, I know what I am feeling in my heart and in my soul. Oh, I know that it is love, and I know that this love was surely sent from up above, 'cause you're the only one I think of. You're my African queen, and you're my African queen, you are my African. For my African and that is African beauty. Yeah, more love you. Yeah, more love you. I love you. Ooh, you are my African queen. Hey, so thank you. Line upon line. You are my African queen. My African